Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. That almost didn't want to come out. There is a giveaway, a two-part giveaway linked down below. Please check that out. Invite your friends and your family if you think they like my content, and also there's lots of other information down below if you are interested. Today I have for you Therabox. So this is a lifestyle slash meditation slash wellness sort of a box, and I really do enjoy this box. I don't remember how much it costs. I will put it on the screen per my usual. And also, I don't know what box this is. I do not know if this is July's box or August. I will have to go back through my videos and look. I honestly don't remember getting this box last month. Maybe I did. If I did, I got it real super early, so that means that this is August. I'll put it on the screen just because I don't remember. Anyway, let's get into this box. So I open it up. Now this box does feel a lot lighter than the typical Therabox, but this is what I see inside. And let's see. We're excited to share this box of self-care with you, and you can't wait to unbox it for some happiness. Thank you so much for allowing Therabox to be a part of your daily self-care ritual. Uh-oh. Due to some unexpected hiccups, one of our vendors was unable to fulfill the order of the Rebalance Me ampoule. However, we have found a higher value substitute item to replace the Rebalance Me ampoule to ensure you will receive the maximum value of this month's box. We hope you will enjoy the replacement included with your box. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. So this says Free Spirit Therabox Magazine 2019, and this does have the items in the box and their retail price. However, I am not seeing which month this box is. So again, I'll just have to look back through my videos. And I open the tissue paper. And so this is what I see inside. So they give you a card for a virtual workshop, and the retail value is at $29.99. So I'm assuming you just, it's 1 month holistic membership pass to an online workshop. And that is right there. It's worth $29.99. The next thing I am pulling out is this. Vivu, Your Body's Voice. Okay, so this is Vivu. I am your body's choice. Your body constantly tries to say something. No, not pizza. It can be you need to drink more water, or how about running this morning for 20 minutes? Let's see. So how to use it. You download the Vivu application from the App Store or on the Google Play Store to register. You urinate on all boxes of the strip while midstream. Do not urinate on the strip more than a few seconds. Wait 120 seconds for the strip to be activated. A timer is displayed on the test screen for your convenience. Click the upper right test icon on the app to take a photo of your strip and receive your advice. That's a little strange. I'll just put that back in there. So I'll read up more on that. It's a little weird to me, but let's see, what is that worth? $24.90 for the 4-strip pack. Okay, well, I don't know what to think of that. We'll move on. The next thing I'm pulling out is a slice mask sheet. And this is worth $5. It's a lemon slice mask. Okay. The next thing I am pulling out is Traveler's Defense Immune Probiotic Dietary Supplements. And these retail for $24. The next thing I am pulling out are K-Span shoelaces. I'm not sure what I'm thinking about this box, you guys. This is weird to me. So these retail for $9.99. The next thing I am pulling out is a Masquerade Say Bye-Bye to Blemishes. So they're just spot treatment pads. And those retail for $6. The next thing I am pulling out is 5 hyaluronic lip masks, and that's cool. I always like a good lip mask. That retails for $12. The next thing I am pulling out is Riddle oil. And it's an oil perfume, and it retails for $50. $50 for a roller oil? I don't know about all that. I used to collect essential oils. It smells, oh, I don't know why I just did that. It smells okay. It doesn't smell bad. I like it, but I feel like it would wear off really super fast. But it smells good. I like it. Okay. And then the last thing I am pulling out here is the Farmer's Touch. And this is the thing that was replaced with the other thing. Let's see. Oh, that's a little bit of a mess. It was upside down in the box. It just smells like lotion. It's a foot cream, and it just smells like a basic lotion. It doesn't have any kind of a scent to it. So that is my Therabox. I am a little unsure. Usually this is one of my favorite boxes. I mean, I'm fine with the foot cream. I'm fine with the perfume oil. I don't know how often I'll actually wear it, but it's a nice, I don't know, it kind of smells like fresh cotton, maybe. That's the best way I could explain it. I'm fine with the lip masks, and I'm fine with the blemish spots, and I am fine with this mask. As far as these, I have to be really careful about what I put in my body, so I'm gonna have to research these. This is a little weird to me. And shoelaces are okay. This is definitely a little weird to me. The last thing I peed on was a pregnancy strip to tell me I was pregnant. So that's just a little weird to me. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day. Bye.